trying to drive around everybody. You didn't quite make it snow yourself. So yeah.
Well, we finally decided to do 55 at the animal clinic.
You got off his phone.
At the animal clinic. I don't know. I mean, it's like...
Well, you're going to end up stopping soon because the Jeff Rose backup.
Shit!
What the hell was that?
That was me being hit from the rear. Because some motherfucker...
You got hit.
Yep.
God damn it. There went
Because
the van.
some motherfucker decided to turn here at the damn...
Do I need to come rescue you, or are you okay?
No, I'm okay.
Alright, let me know if you need anything. If I gotta drive over and help you, let me know.
No.
God damn it, that